Hey guys, we're going to take a look at CultureGrams today, 9 through 12 online resources. CultureGrams up in the corner. Now, CultureGrams is great for when you have to do research on countries and cultures. So there's the World Edition, over 200 countries, the United States, and then Provinces Edition for Canada. We have the Kids Edition here, but that's also just really for the elementary school level. So we'll stick with these three sections provided by CultureGrams. Let's take a look at the World Edition. Brings us to the landing page here. You can view the map here, select your country or region, and it kind of breaks everything down into sections here. I kind of like using the map. It's kind of more fun. So let's take a look at, let's go into South America. Maybe our project, we have to do research on a Spanish-speaking country. Let's take a look at Argentina. And here is the basic homepage for Argentina, the Did You Know section, infographics, official name.
Argentina.
With a pronunciation.
Argentina.
And the anthem here. A lot of kids like to mess around with the anthems. Flags, country data, and then kind of the outlines here. You can even translate the page. Maybe you want to study up on your Spanish, English to Spanish. See if it translates for us. There you go. Yeah. Brush up on your language. Let's go back to just regular English. Okay, we have our background, land, climate, history, population, language, religion, general attitudes, personal appearances for the people, customs and courtesies, lifestyle. You know, maybe we want to look at some holidays. National holidays, Christian holidays, Christmas and New Year's. Okay, yeah, maybe we need to add this. Again, the citations are all built in. And if you remember from the copy and paste video, you can go ahead and copy and paste citations once they are generated and they are correctly formatted, and you could put them into your NoodleTools projects. There is Google integration up in the corner here, save to Google Drive. Click on that, processing. So you can access things offline. And if we go to our drive, it should be there under ProQuest CultureGrams folder. It creates a new folder for you. You may have to allow Google to access, or ProQuest to access Google, but it's kind of a cool thing that you can add. Okay, let's go back to the home page here. Let's look at the United States. We can explore a little bit of the States edition. There's the map. You know, basic information for maps. We can take a look at New York State. Same type of stuff. History, people, cultural fun facts, and again, citations can be generated whenever we're looking at it. Whatever article we land on, there's a citation right there. And provinces for the Canadian research should be the same way. Maybe we're doing a French project and we have to do Quebec. We know that Quebec typically speaks French. So maybe we have to do a little research there. Population, New France, history timeline. Okay, let's take a look at this. Population, the government, Cirque du Soleil, official. Let's take a New France here. Take a look at this history timeline. New France. Okay, interesting. Again, citations built in there. Copy and paste. Back to CultureGrams. Let's go back into the World Edition so we can explore a bit more. Let's take a look at the photos. Photo galleries, slideshows, videos if they're available. That's pretty cool. So they have common gestures in Argentina. A little video on that. So a lot of cool stuff. We can look at interviews. I mean, these can be, you can read the video transcript. You can even cite it there. Interviews. Famous people. Click on Argentina. Okay. A little bit of famous people. There's Diego Maradona, the soccer player. Recipes. Matambre. Potato and beef empanadas. So a lot of cool stuff that you can find. So that was just a quick overview of CultureGrams. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You just click on the country you're researching or the state or province and just kind of gather up all the information that you can. Remember, you can always copy and paste the citations into your NoodleTools projects from CultureGrams.